You alright, Boop? You alright? Jody. Where the rest of them at?
I don't know. Look, you know they were there.
He in the middle. He in the middle right now.
Very, very confused.
Yeah, he don't know. He in the middle right now. But he getting there. He waking on up. Look at little Sasuke. Stepping on your shoe, babe. I'm sorry. I don't know what this is, but there's some folks in there already, so. Oh, okay. Just a sitting place or something like that. Yeah, we're gonna hit. Y'all wanna go up first and come down? I think that's a plan. What do you think? I don't know what's, sound good?
Well, there's an elevator thingy, so.
It's an elevator over there. We can take the escalator because it's not crowded. Look how many people, man, for that kite joint. Look at all those folks over there, all those folks over there. I can see why all those food trucks out there. That's big bread. Yeah, let's go up top first. Can you get us a map, baby? Huh? We doing a lot over here. We doing a lot. Maximize space. They like $100. I'll get you one if you want one. Hold on. There's a downstairs. All right, so we're gonna go all the way up. Yeah, we're gonna go all the way up.
Maybe start
down?
It gets, as you go down, it gets more demoralizing. So the bottom is like slavery, and then up there is like the future.
Yeah, let's go future first.
You want to end on a
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. You want to.
Well,
it starts off with slavery, but then it gets more empowering, and as you go up, it's like culture, like history and culture up there.
okay.
You won't get through the whole like museum. Like this is my 3rd time, and I usually do like a 4 at a time. So.
Okay. So maybe we won't even touch slavery. Maybe I'm trying to forget about it anyway.
Oh, so it's really good.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So you decided about my hair?
I decided that you said that you weren't gonna. You said natural would be the best. Isn't that what you said? I mean, baby, you know, I like hair color. Do what you feel. I told you, but I don't. You know, I don't feel like I'm a authority to be able to tell you what to do with it. Surprise me. I want to be like, oh, that is beautiful.
Well, I don't want it all damaged.
I don't want it to be damaged. That's not what. That's not my my mission. Kamari. You need to be teaching these lessons. Right?
I saw it just like you did, but I can't.
Listen. Don't.
No, you listen. My ears
Don't
are
get.
clean. I can hear you. And you talk loud, so I can hear you.
Well, I'm trying to help us all out. Low light. Said low light. Let's hit this quote over here while wait for people to move around a little bit.
There were no African Americans before the transatlantic slave trade. Who we are is because of that. Good and bad.
You wanna hold my hand or something? Girl, just ask. Say, Daddy, let me hold your hand, Daddy.
Oliver's art connects with a global audience. In the 1980s, the iconic French fashion house
Exactly.
Hermès
I'm
became
going
commissioned
home.
to create scarves. These have become a collector's item.
Hermes, huh?
Kermit Oliver,
Kermit
Mary
Oliver.
Jackson, Philip Simmons, and Art Smith are some of the many African American artists whose creativity has enriched the world around us.
What about Rick Ross? Huh? Yeah. This is a washing machine. 1950. Yeesh. That's super crazy. Come on, maybe we can work our way around here since we're going against traffic.
Innovations into any form.
Good thing to eat.
And I want you to listen to this.
Somebody put this in the dishwasher.
Very good point, Mama. Very good point. Now I want you to listen to this gentleman that sings about the watermelons. I still hear this in the streets of Baltimore. Them singing, "I got watermelons, sweet, sweet," riding them Arab horses, Arabs. I still hear it. Look at this. She got crabs. You know she from Baltimore. She got the crabs on her head.